The next type of math problem we are going to begin to solve, we will first distribute and then solve for the variable. We will begin with 5 times x plus 3 equals 45. The very first thing you need to do is distribute the 5 to everything that's in the parenthesis. So I would get 5x plus 15 equals 45. Well, we're back at a two-step equation. You should be very familiar and confident in what to do next. I am going to isolate the variable by undoing the math problem because I gave you the answer, order of operations backwards. Subtract 15 from both sides to get 30. Opposite or undoing multiplication, I divide and I would have 6. Another example would be negative 3 times 6 minus x is equal to 27. The first thing we need to do, and we're going to be very careful with negative signs, is distribute the negative 3. Negative 3 times 6, negative 18. Be very careful. That's a negative x. Remember, as I said, without a number there, that means there's one x. Negative times negative is positive. 3 times 1 is 3. Again, we have created a two-step equation. I am going to isolate the variable by adding 18 to both sides. I then need to divide by 3, and x would be 15. Another example, we're not going to be bothered if they give us the solution first. Remember, I talked about if that bothers you, you just rewrite it. So 42 equals negative 2 times the sum of 2x and 3. Distribute. 42 equals negative 4x minus 6. Be very careful. That is a negative 2, so you have to watch your signs. Isolating the variable, I would add 6 to both sides. Now I have a multiplication problem, so I'm going to divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. Negative 12 equals x. The last example I want to give you, negative 72 equals 4 times the sum of negative 2 and 3. I will distribute, so negative 72 equals negative 8x plus 12. We have a two-step equation. I'm going to isolate the variable by subtracting 12 from each side. I have a multiplication problem remaining, so I'm going to divide. Oh, this does not work out evenly. Negative divided by negative is positive, and I have 10.5, 10 and a half.